और Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Congratulate Amsta and Afsa for taking up this initiative to bringing to light this draconian proposal that is called MEG, the Meghalaya Education Grant Scheme. That's what we are talking about. Everybody who is here is very well aware with this. The teacher has eloquently explained to you in English as well as in Khasi of what this MEG pertains to. This MEG is nothing. In simple term, if you want to say in one word, it is privatization of education in Meghalaya. It's privatization, selling it out to the private parties. We will not go into the details of the MEG proposal. We can just look at one point. Among many points that are there, one point is that they are, in this proposal, wants to give autonomy to the GB, the managing committee, so that every time they have something, they don't have to run to DST or diesel to the government to get their approval. So they want to give, in the name of autonomy to our managing committee, they want to give this power that the managing committee of your school need not be approved by the government. Need not be approved by the government. They have the autonomy to do everything, even decide the retirement age of the teacher. So they will decide whether you retire at 50, 58 or 65. Now, why is this very important and pertinent? I'll tell you. We are all deficit grant in institution, whether it's a college or whether it's a school. We are getting grant from the government. Now, though our management is private, but we have got this one important link with the government. Our MC or GB has to be approved by the government. Now that approval is very important because that is the cord, the link which connects us with the government. The moment you cut this cord, we will become fully private. We are gone. And that's what they intend to do. And we should not bow to the mischievous acts, which their malafide intentions that they have. We should come as a group like this one. So in this way, I'm just giving you one point which is there in the MEG. Henceforth, the moment you retire, I retire, my post will not be advertised. Gone. The government will give a grant. And it's up to the management, whether they want to appoint 10 teachers, 5 teachers or 6 teachers. And how long this grant will go, no guarantee. So if you look at it, there's a danger. If you read carefully the MEG, I'm telling you, anyone who's present here today will not tell their children to become a teacher in Meghalaya in future. No one should inspire to become a Meghalayan teacher if this MEG is being passed. So if there's one thing that unite us as deficit granting aid institution, whether it's from KG to PG, from KG to postgraduate, we should all come under one banner and fight this as a united body.